On our special Bollywood roundup today, Ishan and Ananya were spotted heading out to Goa in PPE kits to promote their film Khali Pili, while Kartik Aaryan is staying put with his cat waiting for a vaccine to beat the virus. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is excited about an upcoming cricket tournament which she will watch from the US.
Oh my gosh, sports is such an integral part of our lives. The roller coaster of emotions you feel when you watch your favorite team, the thrill, the adrenaline rush when they win. I mean, come on, those feelings are almost unmatched.
जहां ये बड़े स्टार्स बिजी और नॉट सो बिजी हैं, पॉसिबल फ्यूचर स्टार आराध्या बच्चन विश्ड हर टीचर्स विद अ ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड फॉर टीचर्स डे. Well guys, while Bollywood has bravely decided to venture back to work with a new normal, shoots have resumed with precautions in place. Of course, there have been some setbacks with certain crew members and crews testing positive for the pandemic-related virus, but nonetheless, promotions for upcoming films have begun in full swing, but of course with precautions in place. But does that mean that we have forgotten about a vaccine, or that we're not excited about, cricket matches coming up, or that we've forgotten important days and people who have impacted our lives like teachers? Take a look. Ishan Khattar and Ananya Pandey's upcoming film Khali Pili is all set to release on an OTT platform since theatres have been closed. But it looks like, keeping in spirit with the new normal, the young actors are promoting the film while taking all the precautions. Paparazzi spotted the two in PPE kits at the airport while they were on their way to Goa to kickstart promotions for the movie. We also heard that the film has a special song which will feature 12 different forms of dance. The song, which we hear is called Beyonce Sharma Jayegi, will feature popping, Gujarati folk dance, locking, fire juggling, b-boying and other dance styles. But while Ishan and Ananya are out and about, Ananya's co-star from Pati Patni Aur Wo, Kartik Aaryan, is waiting patiently for a vaccine that will help us fight the pandemic. Kartik posted a cute picture of himself and a fluffy little kitten, and in his trademark style, he sat a bit away from the little kitty because, well, social distancing. Kartik captioned his post, "Waiting for vaccine," and not surprisingly, many of his fans and other Bollywood celebrities couldn't help but have a good laugh at Kartik's quirky sense of humor. कार्तिक की तरह पीसी भी इंतजार कर रही है, लेकिन क्रिकेट का. Priyanka Chopra Jonas may be in the US, but like a true blue Indian, she is also excited about an upcoming cricket tournament and cheering for her favorite players from around the world who come together to play in a league format.
I really missed that sound. Oh my gosh, sports is such an integral part of our lives. The roller coaster of emotions you feel when you watch your favorite team, the thrill, the adrenaline rush when they win. I mean, come on, those feelings are almost unmatched.
But while Ishan, Ananya, Kartik and Priyanka were either geared up to battle the pandemic-related virus, or waiting patiently for solutions to improve, or are looking forward to things like cricket, little Aradhya made sure to remember that pandemic or no pandemic, there are teachers around the world who are making sure students continue their education using all the options available. Aradhya's proud mama Aishwarya Rai Bachchan posted on her social media page after almost a month and shared a gorgeous picture of her darling Aradhya holding up a card that she made to celebrate and thank her teachers on the recent occasion of Teachers' Day. Aradhya was all smiles in her uniform as she held up a colorful card spelling out the full form of the word teacher. Her message read as, "Thanking you feels complete and true. Encouraging us all, always, that's you. Awesome, amazing, and always our guide. Caring and nurturing like another mother by our side. Happy and healthy we blossom and grow. Expertly educating us while making it fun. Reassuringly sowing all there is to know. Shining light on values that truly matter in life under our sun. Happy Teachers' Day." It looks like just like us, our Bollywood celebs too are moving forward while also waiting for a more long-term solution. Lekin jahan there are risks and setbacks, there are also some constants in life and some people whom we can never forget.